What are you doing, Kashvi? Tell me, read this.
Okay, Mama will get it.
Hi everybody, my network connection is back. Parul ma'am, you're starting the class?
Yes.
Recording is on again. I started recording again.
How many days in a week?
12.
Days. How many days? 7 days.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday.
7 days of a week. Days of the week.
Saturday and Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. Okay, once again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. Clapping. Now, fruits. 5 fruits. First is apple, mango, banana, grape, and orange. 5 fruits. Once again, apple,
Fruits कौन कौन? Wait,
grape, and orange. Green, good. And what is the color of orange?
Orange color.
And what is the color of banana? Red color. Now 5 vegetables. Once again, tomato, brinjal, onion, and chili. And carrot, bottle gourd. Huh? What is the color of brinjal? Purple color. What is the color of brinjal? Purple color. And what is the color of potato? Brown color. Brown color. Yes. And what is the color of brinjal? Purple color. These are we'll do some actions. How do we eat? Like this. How do you eat your dinner, lunch, breakfast? How do we drink juices and cold drinks? How do we drink juices and cold drinks? Eating. Listening song. Listening song. Combing. How do we comb your hair? How do we brush your teeth? How do we wash your face? And how do we dress up? Okay? How do we polish your shoes? Polish your shoes. Okay? Read book. Writing. Writing. These are called action words. Now, I have told you two good habits. In the morning time, you and do exercise.
Parul, just a minute. Your voice is breaking.
Me on time.
Parul, your voice is breaking. Hello. Kashmi's, yeah, Kashmir. Parul, your voice is breaking. Just check once. Parents, please check the yellow book. Shem Foundation Junior, the Foundation Junior, nursery children. You have the yellow book. In the yellow book, you have a page called action words. So you can daily revise these action words with them. Okay. Please revise these action words with the children on a regular basis. All right. Now, okay, Kachvi.
And to
Please revise the work which has been completed in the yellow book since the beginning of the session. House and all parts of house. Parul ma'am, did you check the network? We can थोड़ा voice break होके आ रहा है. एक बार check कर लो. हाँ?
थोड़ा नेटवर्क की प्रॉब्लम है थोड़ा सा.
हाँ, बहुत voice break होके आ रहा है. Okay, I'm muting all participants except Kashvi. Okay, except Kashvi, I'm muting all participants so that Parul ma'am, you can ask Kashvi questions about the task of the day, which was house. So today's task of the day is at Shem Prep senior level, and this is also for the nursery children. They also learn the same topic about the different rooms in a house. So you have seen the worksheet that Parul ma'am uploaded. Yes, in the school group. So you can discuss the different rooms in the house. You don't have to show the real pictures on the phone. You can actually take your child around and show them the different rooms of the house. This is the bedroom, this is where we sleep, this is the kitchen where the cooking is done, this is the living room, this is, or some people will call it the drawing room. This is where we sit and we talk, watch TV, and this is the bathroom where we take our bath. So the different rooms of a house should be discussed with the children. Today's activity of the day is for Kashvi, the different rooms of the house and where place that we live in. It is also given in the yellow book. The nursery children have the book. You can discuss it from the book also.
I am UKG.
I know, Mama, you are in UKG. All right. So, Parul ma'am, you can start a discussion with Kashvi about the rooms of the house.
Hello, Kashmi. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
You know different rooms in a house, like bedroom.
I know, ma'am.
Bedroom, kitchen, and washroom, study room. Okay. Living room. Huh? What do you do in your living room? Ek minute. Voice is breaking. 1 minute.
which room are you sitting in? You're sitting in your own room. Kashvi, are you sitting in your own room? Whose room is this, Kashvi?
Bedroom.
Your bedroom. This is your bedroom.
Bedroom.
What is there in the bedroom? What items are there in the bedroom? क्या है bedroom में? क्या है? Oi, Gudiya. Hello, Kashi. She's very busy doing something. Kashu, what is there in the bedroom? हाँ, बताओ.
Bed.
Bed. और क्या है? What else is there? मुझे पीछे एक कूलर भी दिख रहा है.
Bed.
Do you have a cooler in your bedroom? Huh?
Bed.
What else do you have in your bedroom? Do you have a table and a chair? Do you have a table and a chair? No, you are sitting on a chair. Huh? Is that a table in front of you? Yes. That's a table in front of you.
Window.
Wait, your video has stopped. Kashvi ka video ruk gaya.
50392.
We are having some massive network problem today. My network connection stopped, so I logged it through the phone network. Kashvi's video has stopped. Shavani, is Kashvi's video active? Is Kashvi's
Hello,
video
Kashvi.
active?
Kashvi. Hello.
आ रहा है कनेक्शन वापस आया
Hello.
कश्वी
Hello.
हाँ अभी आया
Hello, Kashvi.
हाँ
Hello.
What do you do in your living room, Kashvi? You watch TV, है ना? And read your books. In your living room, what do you do?
Kashvi, what do you do in your living room? आप क्या करते हो? See, right now Mukul
You
is sitting in his living room. Kashvi, can you see Mukul sitting in his living room? What do you see? What furniture do you see in the living room? Do you see sofa? Can you see sofa behind him? Can you see sofa?
Table.
Kashvi, can you see sofa? And see, Mukul is playing with his toys in the living room. Yes, see. Mama, Papa, everybody is there in the living room. What is that on the window? Can you see the window behind the sofa? Mukul, do you see the window behind your sofa? Hai na, Mukul? Can you see the window? So this is the task for the day. Please identify all the parts of the house, windows, doors, furniture items kept in the room. This will be a regular task. Okay. Now I will just mute everybody so that you can hear me clearly. Please unmute yourself when you need to speak. I'm muting all participants.
Like, what do you
For the nursery children.
room?
Hello. For nursery children, I have uploaded some work in the WhatsApp group. Kindly ensure that the page numbers that we have mentioned, in the different books, the pink book, the purple book, the orange book, and the green book, all the work is complete in those books. Tomorrow I will upload the weekly task for coming week, starting Monday to Friday. Okay, so within this weekend, please make sure that all the pages that we have mentioned in the WhatsApp group, it is completed. This is for the nursery children, not for Kashvi. Okay, for all the nursery children, it has been uploaded, the page numbers which should be completed in the different books. Starting next week, we will be starting with the purple book. Purple book, and you have already seen some worksheet in Google app. about standing lines and sleeping line. So starting next week, we will start with the purple book, the pages on standing line. This is for task for next week. Okay. I will mention the page numbers. You'll see them so that the task can continue. And the theme of the week, the concept of the week. All right. So you will be getting all your information through the Google Classroom app. On top of that, we will also have separate task set from our school side. So we will expect cooperation and help from the parents whenever possible. Kindly make sure that your child completes the work. And it's not that you have to sit with them and make them do the entire work in one single day. It is one book each day. One book once a day. It's the idea is like that. All right. So the session is about to end. The Zoom session is about to end. I'm going to start with the closing invocation, the closing prayer. Please join your hands. This is a prayer. You can unmute yourself if you want to join in the prayer. You all can unmute yourself when you join in the prayer. Parul ma'am, do you have to say something? Parul ma'am? Hello, Parul ma'am? The video has
Yes,
stopped.
hello.
Do you want to say
Hello.
something before we end the class?
I have posted some worksheet. I think all have seen that worksheet. So kids will do that worksheet and again show me tomorrow.
Yes, please. Any questions from anybody? Is there any question? Okay, I will start the closing prayer now. Please join your hands. Close your eyes. Everybody kindly join in, whoever is on video. Kashvi, Arnav, Darshil, Ye, Mukul. Good job. Shall we start the prayer? This is the great invocation. This prayer is to keep your family healthy, safe, secure in these times, to keep you protected from all kinds of situations which are happening in the world right now. Excuse me. Let's start with the great invocation. From the point of light within the mind of God, let light stream forth into the minds of every person, every being. Let light descend on earth. From the point of love within the heart of God, let love stream forth into the hearts of every person, every being. Let love descend on earth. May the world teacher return to earth. From the center which we call the human race, let the plan of love and light work out. May it seal the door where evil dwells. Let light, love and power manifest the divine plan on earth. From the center where the will of God is known, let purpose guide the wills of every person, every being, the purpose which the holy masters know and serve. Let goodwill and the will to do good descend on earth. So be it. Atma Namaste, all of you, with lots of blessings from the Supreme God. May you all stay safe. May you all stay healthy. May these times pass as quickly as possible. So bye for now. You can unmute yourself and say a big bye. Kashvi, unmute yourself. Bye, Boldo. Mukul, unmute. And bye. Mukul, unmute and say bye. Kashvi, आप unmute करके bye कर दो, उसने end कर दिया. Okay, Rosalind, thank you so much for joining. Bye, Mukul. Bye, Rosalind. Mukul baby, bye. Chonu beta, bye. Arnav Darshil, bye. Arnav mummy, Parul, bye. Parul ma'am, bye. Bye to everybody. Bye. I'm ending the meeting.